Hello guys, so today let's talk about our higher fridge and how important it is to basically wait a couple of hours before you turn on your fridge for the first time. And this applies when you move your fridge from point A to point B. Point A could be the shop and point B could be your home. Anytime you want to transport and take this anywhere else, it basically displaces the liquids and the oils inside the fridge. So basically, you want to make sure that you wait a couple of hours. So let's say I went to the shop to buy it, right? So they're going to put it inside the truck and they're going to most likely put it in a vertical manner. And that will obviously displace all the oils and the all the liquid inside, and you need that settled down before you turn on the fridge. Okay, so make sure you do that. And uh, let's say that you leave it for for the safe side 5 to 6 hours. That should be a uh, good waiting time to make sure nothing goes wrong. Now, don't get me wrong, if you try to plug in the fridge, uh, it will turn on. The only difference is that it will affect your long-term durability of the fridge because it can end up having all kinds of issues because that liquid needs to settle down. So just let it stand before you turn it on. So wait 5 to 6 hours, wait for the liquid to settle down all the way. And once it does, there's really no indication to make sure if it has settled down or not. But if it's just sitting there for 5 to 6 hours, that's a good way to know that it has. So once that time has passed, you can be confident and turn it on and just use your fridge as normal. So just keep this in mind because this is really important. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.